Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an Acer Aspire Go 15. I'm going to show you the AG15 series models. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your fan, heatsink, CPU assembly. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access your bottom case screws. Now there are 10 screws in this bottom case. After you remove those screws, you're going to take a small, flat, plastic pry tool and you're going to go across the seam of the bottom case and pry it up from your computer. It's generally best to start near the rear, near one of the two hinge assemblies. I found it easiest from this middle section right here to start prying it up. Don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge. Go nice and slow but firm. And if you get stuck going in one direction, leave it. Go to the other side and continue in the other direction. Once you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any of the replacement or upgrade components for this specific model, the AG1551P, there will be a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all those tools and supplies and replacement parts. Now, before touching anything in a computer, it's always best to remove or at least unplug your battery. A computer is safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. Here's your battery right down here. It's held in by these two screws on either side, and it plugs into the motherboard right here near the green arrow. Now, as with any cables or wires in a computer, avoid pulling on them when at all possible. Just manipulate the plug. So as you see here, there's a grip on either side, so you can use a pry tool or your fingernails to wiggle that out of that port right there. If you pull on wires or cables in a computer, you could damage them, and sometimes you can pull them right out of the plug. So it's always best just to work on the plug itself. So here's your fan right here, and your heatsink goes over the CPU, over near the fan and the vent. To get your fan out, you have this single screw here and this screw here. After undoing those screws, it plugs into the motherboard right here. Now, as a reminder, these are extremely fragile wires and fans. They're notorious for popping out of either the fan or the plug, so be very careful when removing that. To get at your CPU, to remove your heatsink, it would be these three screws right here. Now, I don't know why you're watching this video. Some of you are here to replace a bad fan. Some of you are here to clean your computer, clean out your fan, clean out your vents. Others of you may be here because your computer is actually overheating and you're trying to fix that. But for any reason, if you come into a laptop computer and you expose the thermal paste to air for any reason, it needs to be reapplied. Once thermal paste has been exposed to air, it's then compromised and it needs to be reapplied. If you would like help with any of that, I will have a video tutorial link above. Also below in the description, it will be an overheating laptop fix video. And one of the things it will show you is how to clean off all the old thermal paste before putting new stuff on. You don't want to put new paste on top of old paste. And it will also show you the correct amount to put down. If you put down too much thermal paste, you end up locking heat in rather than facilitating its transport out. So again, that video will be available if you would like down in the description. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside the Acer Go 15 and access your fan heatsink assembly. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.